Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you have your battery percentage not showing in here in this status bar in your Oppo Reno15 Pro. So the first thing actually that you have to do is to open the settings. Now scroll down here to the notifications and quick settings, tap status bar, battery percentage, and now here you have to have selected either inside battery icon or outside battery icon. So if you have it set and you don't have the battery percentage still, you need to go now to the Play Store. Now in the Play Store, tap search and search. Now you need to search for the application called battery widget and search. I personally use this battery widget Reborn by Thomas Hubalek. Tap install here and wait a moment. Tap open. Consent, start automatically. Add widget, battery widget, add. Now here we do have our battery widget. You can modify this widget, but I leave it as this. And now, as I can see, this battery percentage matches with this one. If you still don't have here the battery percentage, you need to contact device support with a proof of purchase because your device battery sensor is broken. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.